Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to open Play Store, click on the search bar and install your new default app, in my case Opera Mini browser. When your app is ready, click on Home button and go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Apps section over here and tap on Manage Apps. Then select those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps. Finally, you need to click on one of those sections, in my case Browser, and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Opera Mini. Then select the back button, and as you can see after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!